Bab al-Jihad min al-Iman. Chapter Al-Jihad, fighting in Allah's cause, is a part of faith. حدثنا حرمي بن حفص قال حدثنا عبد الواحد قال حدثنا عمارة قال حدثنا أبو زرعة بن عمرو بن جرير قال سمعت أبا هريرة عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال انتدب الله لمن خرج في سبيله لا يخرجه إلا إيمان بي وتصديق برسلي أن أرجعه بما نال من أجر أو غنيمة أو أدخله الجنة ولولا أن أشق على أمتي ما قعدت خلف سرية ولوددت أني أقتل في سبيل الله ثم أحيا ثم أقتل ثم أحيا ثم أقتل. Narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the person who participates in holy battles, in Allah's cause, and nothing compels him to do so except belief in Allah and His apostles, will be recompensed by Allah either with a reward or booty if he survives, or will be admitted to paradise if he is killed in the battle as a martyr. Had I not found it difficult for my followers, then I would not remain behind any Sariya going for jihad, and I would have loved to be martyred in Allah's cause, and then made alive, and then martyred, and then made alive, and then again martyred in His cause. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 51 narrations from Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.